Hey guys, so I've really wanted to try out that whole fishtail eyebrow trend that I've been seeing on Instagram. When I saw the wavy eyebrows, I was like, please, that was just stupid. And this is not wearable, so you could say that it's equally as stupid, but I feel like it's a lot cooler than the wavy eyebrows. So I've never tried it. Hopefully I can recreate it, but anyway, yeah. Okay, so usually I do the tail first, like the very end of my brow first, but I'm going to just start from the front of my brow. I'm going to draw just before it reaches that arch. Like, I know I barely have any eyebrows anyway. But yeah, just before I get to the arch, I'm going to kind of start doing the flick. So this one goes quite far up. Now what I'm going to do is use a little bit of concealer on a slanted brush. Okay, so now I'm gonna do the tail. You know, I'm gonna like do the tail of the actual brow. Okay, so here's how the brows have come out. Considering that this is my first time doing the fishtail brows, I'm actually quite proud of myself. This brow kind of decided that it didn't really want to work with me as well as this one did. But I think that if you're going to do this trend, definitely use a very, very sharp brush, like a very thin edged brush, or make sure that your pencil is like really, really sharp, and you're probably gonna have to keep on sharpening it. Or if anything, just use like an eyeliner brush, like a really, really thin one with your brow pomade, and it will definitely work. So I'm kind of happy with the way that it's turned out. It's like, it was fun to do. I had to go off camera and finesse this one because it just was not working at all. Anyway, so if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.